The following segment is sponsored by Smith's Food and Drug. I am so excited because today Chef Jeff Jackson from Smith's is showing us how to make a delicious batch of grilled pork chops with grilled pineapple salsa. Perfect for Memorial Day. Let's take a look.
Hello everybody, I'm Chef Jeff from Smith's. Memorial Day is right around the corner, so that means not only remembering our lost loved ones, but also grilling season, and that's what I'm going to focus on today. It's time to break out that grill, and if we're honest, I've been grilling all throughout the wintertime, but this officially kicks it off, and I'm going to give you a great recipe that is grilled pork chops with a grilled pineapple salsa. Now, I love pineapple salsa, but sometimes you get a pineapple that maybe isn't quite ripe. Grilling the pineapple is a great way to get to kind of liven it up a little bit and get some of those juices flowing. And so what I do is I take the rind off, take the top and bottom, and then I slice it into discs, like so. And then what I want to do is I'll oil my grill here, just pretend we're outside, and then I'm going to put my pineapple on that and just let it start to get the nice char on it. And that's what I'm looking for, and that's just going to bring out the juices, that's going to bring out all the flavors that we want. And then I'm going to cut that pineapple so that I can turn it into salsa. We'll go ahead and just do that for now because I need room for my pork chops. Now, I love grilling pork chops. These are bone-in. You could do boneless or bone-in. These are a little bit thick, which I love. But the key to a great grilled anything is to have a good seasoning rub, and that's what I have here. I have smoked paprika, kosher salt, brown sugar, regular sugar, garlic powder, black pepper. Let's see if I can remember all these. I have cumin, mustard, and ginger. So all those wonderful things I'm going to put in this bowl to let them start to mix together, and then I'll season my pork and get those on the grill as well. The pork only takes maybe, I'd say, about 4 minutes per side, so it doesn't take long. But what I would suggest is if you're going to season them like this, season them ahead of time, probably like a good half hour before you're going to actually grill, and just let those seasonings just get into that meat and make a real big difference. It's called a dry brine actually when you do it that way. Lets your meat get nice and seasoned. So pork chops ready to go. Pretend that I've had them sitting there for a while, and then onto the grill they go. And then what I'm going to do now is see if I can get my char marks on my pineapple and show you how to finish that salsa. All right, my pork chops are almost done. My pineapple's grilled up. I'm going to take it off of here, and then I'm going to chop it up and then finish our salsa. Take me just a second. Okay, so I've got my pineapple chopped up and ready to go. Now, salsa's super easy as long as all your ingredients are ready. That's red bell pepper, that's jalapeno, lime juice and zest, a little salt and pepper, a little red onion, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of cilantro, and lastly, just to sweeten it up just a little bit more, we're gonna add a little bit of honey, like so, and then we're gonna stir it, and then that's salsa. Super easy to make, super delicious, light, fresh, perfect for grilling season. I love that sort of stuff. All right, let's finish this up. We're gonna get our pork chop on the plate. We're gonna top it with some of our salsa. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Enjoy the season. You'll find these ingredients at your local Smith's. Thanks for shopping, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.